Hello everyone, this is your Cooking Mommy Francie, and this time I'm back sharing with you my simple dish for today. It's already prepared na pala ang aking simple hot pot with noodles. Ayan, yummy. Ayan siya, oh, kompleto na siya, mga mushrooms, and I have pork. I have young corn and 4 kinds of fresh mushrooms. And I'll be putting some pechay bagyo. Ayan. Ayan guys. Join me in cooking. Let's start boiling the water. Let's turn on the exhaust fan. Let's go over first. Mabilis kumulo. Wait until it boils. Check it out. It's now boiling. Yay! Kamay ko. Palaso ko pala. So let's put first the noodles. This is my own style, guys. My own version. Cooking Mommy Francie's version. My hot pot. Let's wait until it cook muna. Okay, it's now almost cooked ang ating noodles. Let's add na this one, young corn. Together na with mga mushrooms. Simple as this. Itong pork natin, maya-maya na lang kasi para hindi siya tumigas. Ayan, simple lang kasi we're just the two of us nilolo. So, a little pork lang. It's now boiling and let's add salt to taste. Salt to taste. Let's wait for it to cook. Let's taste it. Medyo mataba. Let's add some salt. Okay, let's add now the pork. Just little pork, one by one. Kunti lang ang pork. Let's taste it. Yummy! Then let's add now the pechay bagyo. Dalawa lang kami ni Lolo, guys. Ito lang yung dinner namin. Ito na yung mag-rice kasi meron siyang noodles and complete na ang the egg na and with the vegetable, with the Pechay Baguio. Kompleto na ang kanyang lasa. Simple lang. Ewan ko kung anong kulang dito. Walang pong one, meron na pong ano dyan, pero sobrang dami na. Tama na yan. Okay na guys. Yan ang ating patpat or shabu-shabu. Yung egg niya, look at the egg. Kaya lang ayoko na ilaw na ang egg sa loob. Nasa loob. And let's turn off the fire. Yan. Yummy! So this is my simple hot pot. Our dinner for tonight. Okay guys. Hope you enjoyed watching and does it looks yummy? Parang hindi. Okay, so this is your cooking mommy Francie sharing with you my simple hot pot for our dinner today. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye everyone.